Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.
Newly elected chairman of the People's Democratic Party PDP in Rivers State, Ambassador Desmond Akawor, has promised to embark on an aggressive membership drive and reinvigorate the party ahead of the 2023 general elections in the state. The former Nigeria's ambassador to South Korea and one-time Minister of State for the Federal Capital Territory FCT was returned unopposed in the recent State Congress of the PDP in Rivers State. The State Congress of the PDP held days after the party successfully elected executive committee members across the 23 local government areas of the state.
Visit our YouTube channel at Max TV. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications on our uploads.